Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.